Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. Happy Groundhog's Day. Welcome to this snowstorm reporting. So the snow stopped here in Deerfield, New Hampshire. And it's just very windy and cold. So we are walking down to check the road conditions and things like that. It is very deep in things, as you can see. And again, very windy and cold, as you can see. So, again, the snow kind of stopped a little bit right now, and it's just cloudy, as you can see. So we are walking down deep. I can tell that it is deep in the driveway, and doesn't look like a lot of snow here because you can see some of the grass and twigs here, but you can tell it's deep when walking down in the driveway. Doesn't even look like a driveway. It looks like one big land of grass right now. But very cold. Especially when the wind is blowing. If you can hear that wind blowing, it makes it even colder. Let us know what the conditions are like in your area. We'd like to get information on that. So, here's a look at the scene over here. Feels deeper down here. But again, it's cold out and just windy. If you don't need to go anywhere, just stay home for the whole day where it's safer. And wait until tomorrow to venture out on the roads. So, we're making our way to the wow, not a lot of snow here. So, here is a look at the road conditions in Deerfield, New Hampshire. As you can see, not too bad. It's good. So the roads don't look too bad in things. So that is good news that the roads are not too bad. And it cleared up. It stopped snowing, so the plow drivers are doing a wonderful job and things. So let's turn on my wind thing and get a wind reading. 6.8 it says. 6.5, 6.6. So you can tell that it is very windy and cold. Windy and cold. Make sure if you do go outside to bundle up and things, because it is very cold. Dress for the winter weather. So we're making our way back up the driveway now. The calm after the snowstorm. But again, the winter weather alert is in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. tonight, because there could be some additional snowfalls during the day and things. But pretty much it's clear. It's fluffy snow, as you can see. It's a fluffy kind of snow. So, not snowman building snow, fluffy snow. Not good for snowball or building a snowman. The wind, every now and then the wind will pick up and a strong gust comes, but once in a while the wind takes a break. So it'll be interesting if we see a little bit of more snowfall or anything. There are chances of a couple more coatings of snow today. Making our way back up the driveway after looking at the road conditions. Oh, look at over here. Did you see that strong gust of wind? Oh my gosh. So that is the latest on storm reporting in Deerfield, New Hampshire. Roads don't look too bad, and the snow stopped, and just very windy and cold here in Deerfield, New Hampshire. Thank you for watching this snow storm reporting. Have a great day, everyone, and be safe today.